Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel where you can find videos that will make math more fun and easy for you to become winner in numbers, winner in life. Hi! Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROWEL CARPIO and I am a math teacher and a coach. If you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if it is your first time to visit my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button found below and also hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. And if you think that the content of my YouTube channel is worth sharing with others, kindly share it with them. And don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! In this video, I'm going to present to you multiplication tricks by 5 or multiples of 5. Okay, let's say for example, when we have 5 times 5, it would be easier for us to identify immediately the product because we know that 5 times 5 is simply 25. Now, when we have, let's say, what if we are multiplying 48 times 5. Can you give me immediately the product of 48 and 5? Let's say in 5 seconds. Can you do it? Let's try. Now, were you able to come up with the correct answer? Okay, what is our answer here? 48 times 5. So, 48 times 5 is equal to 240. So, how can we identify in an instant the product of 48 and 5? We know that 5 is just simply half of 10. So, we can also write 48 times 5 as 48 times 10 over 2. Since 10 over 2 is 5, why do we have to convert it into 10 over 2? Because when we are multiplying any number with multiples of 10, it would be easier for us to multiply. Now, before we are going to multiply 48 and 10 then divided by 2, we can also divide first 48 by 2 and then multiply it to 10. 48 divided by 2 is 24 and then 24 times 10 will give us 240. That's why 48 times 5 is 240. Now, what if we have 56 times 5? Can you do it in 5 seconds? Let's try. Okay, what's our answer? Our answer is 280. So how did we arrive at 280? We can rename 56 times 5 into 56 times 10 over 2. Since 56 divided by 2 is 28 times 10 will give us 280. Now, what if we have 78 times 5? Can you find the product of 78 and 5 in 5 seconds? Let's try. Okay, what's our answer? 78 times 5 is equal to 390. Okay, so let us rename first. 78 times 10 over 2. 78 divided by 2 is 39 times 10 is 390. Now, what if our multiplier is not 5 but instead 25? Let's have this example. So, what if we have 16 times 25? What do you think is the product of 16 and 25? I'll give you 5 seconds. Correct answer is 400. Now, how did we arrive at 400? Okay, since 25 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 2 or just simply have 5 times 5. So, 16 times 25, we can rename this as 16 times 10 over 2 times 10 over 2. So, meaning to say that before we will multiply 16 times 10 times 10, we can also divide first 16 divided by 4 because this is 2 times 2 is 4. So, 16 divided by 4 is 4 times 10 is 40. 40 times 10 will give us 400. 400. Or 10 times 10 is 100. So times 4 will give us 400. Now what if we have 36 times 25? What do you think is the product of 36 and 25? I'll give you 5 seconds. Go! Okay, the correct answer is 900. We will rename first 36 times 25 into 36 times 10 over 2 times 10 over 2. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times 100 will give us 900. Now, how about if we have 32 times 125? We know that 125 is just simply 5 raised to the power of 3 or 5 times 5 times 5. So, meaning to say that 32 times 125 can be renamed as 32 times 10 over 2 times 10 over 2 times 10 over 2. Before we are going to multiply 32 times 1,000 because 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1,000 and then divided by 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. We can divide first 32 by 8 and then multiply it to 1,000. So 32 divided by 8 is 4. 4 times 1,000 will give us 4,000. So 32 times 125 is 4,000. Now, how about if we have 56 times 125? Can you find the product of 56 and 125 in 5 seconds? Go! Okay, the answer here is 7,000. Now, how did we arrive at 7,000 in an instant? So, we can rename the 56 times 125 as 56 times 10 over 2 times 10 over 2 times 10 over 2, or just simply divide the 56 by 8. So 56 divided by 8 is 7, and then whatever is the quotient, multiply it to 1,000 because 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1,000. So 7 times 1,000 will give us 7,000. So that's how we multiply numbers if our multiplier is 5, 25, or 125. So I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again next time for our simple math tricks. Thank you!